All right, question 3. A man 6 feet tall casts a shadow 4 feet long. At the same time, a flagpole casts a shadow 20 feet long. What is the height h of the flagpole? So we've looked at these before. Maybe it's a tree and a person standing next to it, or a building, whatever. They like to put these questions in. This time it's a flagpole. But remember, what we're really looking here is almost like a triangle setup. Remember, the man is 6 feet tall. The shadow is 4 feet tall. If you do a line there, that was not a very good line, but if I draw a line there, it makes a triangle. And then same thing for the flagpole. The flagpole shadow is 20 feet. We don't know the height. We'll solve for it in a second. But if we connect there, basically looking proportion between two triangles. That's what this really is, if you kind of draw it out this way. So let's check this out real quick. Let's see what we have. Let's find the relationship, and let's knock this out. So let me shrink it down just a little bit for some workspace. So let's look at what we have. The man is 6 feet tall, casts a shadow 4 feet long. So let's write that real quick. So he is 6 feet tall. So we're going to put 6 feet tall right over there as his height. The shadow is 4 feet tall right over there. That's the man. That's the info we have there. The flagpole, we don't know the height. So remember, the height would match up with the 6 right over there. So we basically have h over 20. The shadow is 20 feet long. So once you set this up, the reason I'm really trying to force you guys to do it this way is the relationship typically here, a lot of you guys are pretty good at finding this. 4 into 20. 4 into 20, well, yeah, 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20, just like that. So 5 is not the answer, of course, but whatever we multiply the bottom by, we do the same thing at the top. So we're going to do 6 times 5 there, 6 times 5. And I'll wipe out the h and we'll put it in answer. But 6 times 5, I believe, is 30. So 30 feet, if we continue the proportion out, we could make a table and continue this out. But once the actual shadow length is 20 feet, that flagpole is going to be 20 feet tall, or 30 feet tall, excuse me. And so that is going to be answer B real quick right there. That's going to be the one to go with. And just make sure you set up your proportion. Again, there's a lot of these, and then find your relationship.